everybody. I got a walnut trunk that I need to mill for a guy that's not too far from me. I met him not too long ago. He has a project he needs done, and he does not have a saw big enough to be able to cut him a piece of walnut off of this trunk. So I'm gonna do it. I ended up ordering a bar for my Alaskan sawmill. I got it off of eBay, but it's a Forester bar. I've heard mixed reviews about them. I'm gonna find out for myself. It's a 52-inch bar. You know what I have on the sawmill right now is a 36. So just to compare in size, yeah, this is a 36-inch bar on the mill, and this is what we're going to. You know, 52. So it's not super long, but it's long enough to get me most of the use that I want out of the sawmill. It's a Farmertec parts kit. It's a 660. I love it. I mean, I haven't killed it yet. I did get the big bore kit for it and also a ported muffler. But what I got to do is basically take the saw off of the bar and then take the bar off the mill and switch it all out. I'm probably going to fast forward through most of it, but I'm going to go ahead and get it done. Okay, so I got the power head off. I'm going to set the sawmill to the side just for a minute and go ahead and I'm going to clean the power head up and clean the cover to make sure we're getting proper oiling. So we got him pretty much cleaned up. You know, we're not going to get him super clean. I'm about to go use him here in about 20 minutes. So we did make sure everything's out. We're going to check again, make sure everything's out of the drive gear. So we can set him to the side for a minute. there.
You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now.
On there. I'm going to take it and snug them up. What I did is I put this pad on the rivet where this tip is put together. On there. Pour something up. Alright, we got the power head on. The chain's not tensioned yet, but we got it on there. We just got to get all this stuff lined up how we want it.
You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now. You are now about to witness the strength of the street now.
Alright, so we got that bar changed out on the mill. So I guess let's go mill a piece of walnut.